Is Mr. Daniel agus Hammy Astronach.
Is Mr. Michael agus Hammy Wastronach.
Is Mr. Daniel agus Hammy a Fudochan and Stronach.
Is Mr. Campbell agus Hammy a Griash. Is Mr. Lucas agus Hammy a Papel.
Is Mr. Rudy agus Hammy fo Griash.
Is Mr. Ryan agus Hammy fo na Woche. Yeah. Full me cref puppeteers. Fashion get my goal.
Trashig me in co-upstairs agus habig scar acum.
Full in Kyle acum an cref as by course.
Huge me ye ag paranoid le Campbell agus fe fast dorch agus hwnnw go faking agus huge me on me on an A&E a son ceir uren.
Bí me a Clara Fruiten. Inturis for me a life Anson Jeechen agus for Daniel a lame Emma Vin.
Oh no! Michael!
Bí me sin Connie Bull Crevin. Bí me Joch an Connie Bull Crevin. Well, Sean Crew, a bhís thuúd in Connie Bull. Tá mu sé generate ceathúir agus go bhí a thuúil duine ha fis an ha déanamh bain rátham. Tháinig mí dhé in jump agus landig mí an a hó agus cead on a break sac an róbha. So cead mí sú seo, take off an a hó, take butt agus ná sin ragdoll an a seo. Ba mí becin scarred agus cead on mí mountain bike ar son le bliana son an ecologin. Táisiid mí ríist ar son sinna mí an bike hacam agus ba mí díoch ma seo waste bike fé mí fine ar sé agus bhaid really fun. So ha mí come dul agus an mí plan an stuff in the ríist.
They're parts to have this quick life harsh road.
Kind of harsh machine, machine and Connie kind of on a shop.
I don't really feel like I'm in and pub near by me tosh especially in a whole new clock from after show someone the kind of I guess especially the ball from show.
In the airport Kudrach with five Levy Quick Charge advice again.
Daily. Hi, do my favourite song go out. Kitchen sitting, kitchen machine. Machine and Connie does jack. I just been my fishing and pump, fishing and pump, fishing and pump better. So next fishing show, change jack, a hula lines, pump.
Cycling, I've been involved in cycling for many years, and the whole business kind of came about from more and more people asking me to fix their bikes or build up their Christmas bikes, and all of a sudden I thought, well, there's an opportunity here for bringing my passion forward. One of the big things was for it to become this sort of meeting point. To be honest, not just for cyclists, but also for just general visitors coming into, you know, for the cafe and what have you. And it always pleases me because that's really where the building and the business has kind of developed, and we get these young guys turning up all the time, and it's got to a point now that their parents, we had one child's mum, I don't think it was any one of you guys, but their mother phoned us up to see if her son was here because she couldn't get a hold of him, and she knew that he would be here if she could get a hold of him, and funnily enough he was. So.
Queen agus Kershona Horsey Shift Rock.
I suppose agus Magaville Trail Zone is in Junction.
Oh, McDaniel, a dog, big jumps and bicycle.
Backfish.
Mas joch a YouTube videos agus me gra right. Give this I go. This family Joch Dolmach plus Daniels, Rudy's Campbell in law agus me Hostlud in the sharp.
They have ordered like me.
I'll run my gosh.
I'm Brian Ration. I fun.